Grow potatoes in cardboard boxes, your easy guide to a bumper crop. This method is perfect for beginners, saves space, and requires minimal effort. Get ready for a surprisingly abundant harvest. Let's explore why cardboard boxes are a fantastic choice for growing potatoes. They offer several advantages that make gardening easier and more sustainable. A. Weed control. Cardboard acts as a natural weed barrier, suppressing unwanted growth. This saves you valuable time and effort weeding your potato patch. B. Excellent drainage. Cardboard allows for excellent drainage, preventing waterlogged soil. This is crucial for preventing root rot and ensuring healthy potato development. C. Easy to move. Cardboard boxes are lightweight and easy to move around your yard. This is perfect for patios, balconies, or any limited space where you want to garden. You can easily move your plants to follow the sun. D. Sustainable and recyclable. Using cardboard boxes is a sustainable way to garden. You're repurposing materials and reducing waste, making your gardening eco-friendly. E. Easy harvesting. Harvesting potatoes from cardboard boxes is incredibly easy. Simply tip the box over and collect your freshly grown potatoes. Now let's gather the supplies you'll need for this project. It's a short list, making it even more appealing. A. Cardboard boxes. You'll need cardboard boxes that are at least 12 inches deep. Make sure to remove any tape or staples before you start. B. Seed potatoes. Use certified seed potatoes from a reputable source. These are specifically grown for planting and will give you the best results. C. Soil. You'll need good quality potting mix or a mix of compost, garden soil, and peat moss. This will provide the necessary nutrients for your potatoes to thrive. D. Watering can or hose. A watering can or hose is essential for regular watering. Consistent moisture is key to a successful potato crop. E. Optional, straw or mulch. Consider adding straw or mulch to help retain moisture and suppress weeds. This will further simplify your gardening efforts. All right, let's get our hands dirty and start planting. Follow these simple steps for a bountiful potato harvest. A. Prepare the box. Place the cardboard box in your desired location. Make sure it's a spot that gets plenty of sunlight. B. Add soil. Fill the bottom of the box with about 4-6 inches of soil. This will create a base for your seed potatoes to grow. C. Plant the seed potatoes. Place your seed potatoes, eyes facing up, about 6-8 inches apart. This spacing allows for proper growth and development. D. Cover with soil. Cover the potatoes with another 4-6 inches of soil. Gently pat the soil down to ensure good contact. E. Water thoroughly. Water the soil well after planting. This will help settle the soil and encourage the potatoes to sprout. F. Hilling. Important. As the plants grow, add more soil to the box, covering the stems. This process, called hilling, encourages more potato production along the buried stems. Repeat this until the box is full. G. Water and care. Water regularly, especially during dry spells. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Consider adding straw or mulch to retain moisture. The moment we've all been waiting for, harvesting, plus some extra tips to ensure your success. A. Harvesting. After about 70-90 days, your potatoes will be ready to harvest. Simply tip the box over and collect your homegrown bounty. B. Tips for success. Sunlight. Potatoes need at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. Choose a sunny spot for your cardboard box garden. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Adjust your watering schedule based on the weather. Fertilizing. Fertilize with a balanced fertilizer every few weeks. This will provide the necessary nutrients for optimal growth. Pest control. Watch out for common potato pests and diseases. Take action promptly if you notice any problems. So, there you have it. Growing potatoes in cardboard boxes is easy, space-saving, and incredibly rewarding. Give it a try and enjoy fresh, homegrown potatoes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more gardening tips and tricks.